Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Friend with Benefits Trinity Rose Mega Masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Trinity Rose Mega Masturbator by the Friends with Benefits collection. Now, as this is a mega masturbator, we would not recommend this for beginners and we'd recommend it for more experienced or expert users. This masturbator is designed for penis stimulation. It features an anus opening and a vagina opening. Each sleeve features a sleeve opening on the inside with a stimulating texture of nubs, ridges and ribbing. It features a flower on the buttocks just there and a realistic design and realistic feel as well. The material is stretchy and flexible for a comfortable feel. When using this masturbator, we'd always recommend to use a water-based lubricant. We'd recommend to apply it to the openings and the inside of the sleeve there for optimal comfort. Make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Make sure the Trinity Rose is completely dry before using again, and we'd recommend to use a renewing powder on the material to keep it fresher for longer. And that's the Friend with Benefits Trinity Rose Mega Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.